guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a huge Grofers haul. So this time Grofer is giving a grand orange bag day sales. So I have purchased a lot more groceries item from Grofers. So if you are interested to see what I have got myself, so please keep on watching this video till the end. And without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first thing I got is a Oreo biscuit. I mean, this is a packet of 3 Oreo biscuits, and this is cost 75 rupees, but I got a 10 rupees discount on this. So I really love Oreo biscuits, and I know many of you do. So don't miss these offers, guys. The next I have bought myself Dark Fantasy. These are Dark Fantasy Choco Fills. So I have bought 2 packets of them, and I got 6 to 7 rupees off on each of these packets. So the next I am showing the biscuits which I have got at first. So the next I have got these Good Day Choco Chips biscuits, and this is the thing. And again I got 6 to 7 rupees off on each of these packets. So I think these are like really good deals, guys, because normally in our local stores I don't get any discount on this. I mean, this costs 30 rupees each. So in Grofers I just picked 2 of them, and I got 6 to 7 rupees off on each packet. So I think that's an amazing deal. So the next biscuit is one of my favorite ones. This is Hide and Seek, and I again got 2 of them, as you can see. So I got 20 rupees off on each of these packets, and this is the best deal of this haul, I think, because I got 20 rupees off in each of these packets. Can you imagine, guys? I just love this, and I am so happy about this purchase. The next I have got myself this Act 2 popcorn. This is a party pack, and it contains 3 of them. As you can see, here is 3 packets in it. So this costs 120 rupees, and I got it on 116 rupees. So I am really happy with this purchase, because normally you don't get 1 rupees discount on this packet. So I think this is a good deal. So guys, the next thing I bought myself, this is a Kellogg's muesli, and I really like to have this in my breakfast. I mean, most of the day I eat Kellogg's muesli or oats in my breakfast. I have eaten other mueslis also, but I really like this Kellogg's muesli, and this is 21% fruit and nut. So this is a super saver pack, and this is at 415 rupees MRP, and I got this on 330 rupees, and I think that's a really very good deal. So the next product I bought myself, this is a chocolate sauce, and this is from Hershey's. So this is a small bottle of it, and this retails for 90 rupees, and I got this on 78 rupees, and that's a really good deal. So the next product I got myself, this is a pack of Kit Kat. This contains 10 Kit Kats in this, and as you can see, this cost 100 rupees, and I got this on 20 rupees off. So that means that you get 1 Kit Kat off. So the next product is a packet of Dairy Milks, and this is this cost 150 rupees, and I got this on 110 rupees. So I got 40 rupees off on this packet. So that's a really very good deal. So the next thing I got myself, a bottle of Maaza. I really like to drink Maaza, and this is a bottle of 70 rupees, and I got this on 57 rupees. So the next I got myself these 3 thumbs ups, and these are 40 rupees each, and I got this on buy 2 and get 1 free. So the next thing I got myself is a packet of almonds, and this is from Family Farm, as you can see, and these packets cost 295 rupees, and I got it on 140 rupees, and that's really a good deal. Next I got myself these 2 packets of Fortune Basmati rice. So these are everyday Basmati rice, and this cost 130 rupees each, and I got them on 60 rupees each, so that's a really great discount, I think. So this everyday basmati rice is good for cooking your fried rice and pulao, and you can also eat them as your normal rice. The next thing I got myself is these 2 packet of Go cheese. So these are sliced cheese. So these sliced cheese are really good for making burgers or sandwiches, and you can also use them in your pastas and any other dish. You just have to cut them in small pieces with some scissors or knife, and you are good to go. So these packets each cost 360 rupees, and I got them on buy one get one free. So 360 rupees में ये दोनों पैकेट मुझे मिल गया. I am really very happy, guys. So next I got 2 coriander powder, and these cost 30 rupees each, and I got them on 50% off. So I got them on 30 rupees. 30 rupees में दोनों पैकेट मिल गया मुझे. So 15 rupees each. So the next product I got myself, this is a small cakes. This is from Cadbury, and these cakes cost 10 rupees each. So you can just grab yourself a single one of them, and I got them with a packet of 6 in them. So I got 2 packets like that. So I got 12 cakes total, and I got I think 10 rupees discount on the packet of 6 cakes. So I got 5 cakes and 1 free with that. And these cakes really taste amazing, guys. I just tried them for the first time and I really love them. So guys, next I got these biscuits, and these are from Cadbury, and these tastes like dark fantasy choco fills, and the biscuits is like that. It has choco fills in the middle of these biscuits, and I have got 2 packets of this biscuit, and each packet contains 10 biscuits in it, and I got 10 rupees off in each packet. So guys, I have thrown most of the outer packages of these things because of this COVID-19 situation, so please excuse me for that. I will attach the photo in the screen so you can check it out from there. So the next product I got myself, and these 2 are the most important products for this situation, and this is a huge packet of hand wash, and this is from Savlon, and this cost 320 rupees, and I got this on 50% off, that is 160 rupees for this huge packet. So the next product I got myself, this is also from Savlon, and this is Surface Disinfectant, and this has a combo of these 2 bottles, as you can see. So these disinfectants are really very great for cleaning your phones and your money when you are coming home from outside. So this really helps you for that purpose, and especially when you receive any packages from online, so you can just spray it on them and you are good to go. And these 2 bottles again cost 320 rupees, this combo of these 2 bottles, and I got them on 280 rupees, so 140 rupees each. So the next product I have with me, this is a this is really very heavy, and this is a jar of mustard oil, and this is from Emami Healthy and Tasty. So this has a combo offer with this. Okay guys, this is really very heavy, I can't lift it. So this is a packet of 1 kg sugar, and this is from Family Farm. So these 2 has a combo, and this retails for 920 rupees, and I got them on 620 rupees. So I got 300 rupees off in these 2 products. So the next product I have with me, these are air freshener, and this is Lavender Magic. This is from Grofers itself, and this has an offer on buy one and get 2. So this cost 43 rupees each, and I got these 3 at 43 rupees. So that's an amazing deal, guys. Just grab these things, and it really keeps your home fresh, and you can also use it at your bathroom and kitchen and at your bedroom and everywhere you can use these things. So I really love. These are like Odonils. So the next thing I got myself, this is a dishwasher and this is Pril. So this is the largest jar I think which I found. So this cost 395 rupees and I got it on 320 rupees, and that's a great deal, guys. So the next thing I got myself, this is a sugar, and this is from Grover's Mother's Choice, and this is a packet of 1 kg sugar and it cost 60 rupees and I got it on 44 rupees. And the next and the last thing of this haul, this is a black cardamom, and this is again from Grover's Mother's Choice, and it retails for 140 rupees and I got it on 67 rupees. So guys, don't waste your time, grab whatever you want because the offer is going to end soon, and also share this video with your friends and let them know that Grover is giving a huge sale. And by the way guys, this video is not sponsored by Grover's. I have purchased all these items with my own money. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned and stay safe and stay happy. Until next time, see you guys.